What's up, TikTok? So I just went to Walmart. I was already going to Walmart. But I was watching a friend TikTok last night. I'm not going to say TikTok made me buy it. My TikTok friend made me buy it. And I'm on this diet that I only eat chicken and seafood. So this is kind of up my alley. But I can't have like mayonnaise and shit. But I don't think that's going to kill me. Okay? Let's see what the hype is about. Okay. I left the cracker, so I had to run to Dollar Tree. I can't remember if the ages was cracker or one of them little breads. I don't know, but let's see. I'm trying to see if I can need some seasoning on this. What's in here? Shit, the ingredients on the bottom. We'll just, let's see. Just mix it a little bit. I'm not sure I was supposed to eat crackers with these new braces. I'm glad I didn't get that little one. I got my mama the little ones. Okay. That's buzz down. Damn, I should have got the little one because I'm going to eat this whole motherfucking thing. And I ain't supposed to have no. I can't see if we got. This tastes like I made it. Who made this? Let me see. Definitely taste the sugar, of course. God damn it, Walmart. This shit good as hell. Oh, I'm about to put this on something. Some toast. But this will make a good sandwich. Crackers by itself. A lettuce wrap. Me personally, I'll put a little bit of pepper. Because I like pepper. Other than that, this for the win. Because I get the big rotisserie and I'll be shredding that shit. Make it in my motherfucking self. Okay, TikTok. What my TikTok friends showed me. But thank you. Because it's going to work. Peace.